All right, so this is finally came in after it got lost in the mail. This is the Castmaster. This is the GG2000 Castmaster smelting gold, silver scrap refining casting furnace. And we're going to do a quick unboxing video. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, it's a Chinese box, you can tell, Chinese cardboard. It looks made in China. And there is a box in the box. You want to check it out?
Rip the box.
No, don't worry about that. Okay. And a nearly identical box. I wonder if there's another box in this box.
I'm wondering why they couldn't just ship it in this box.
Good question. The next box. Okay. Comes with a manual. Wow, that's nice. Heavy duty cardboard. With some basic instructions. Doesn't seem like a whole lot. And then it comes with this special tool here.
That is definitely homemade.
Yeah, I made that.
Let's see that connector there.
It's a beautiful solder.
Oh, that is a really nice solder job there, huh?
Looks like they took a pair of needle nose and cut them off and then just took that curved steel and put it on there. But that's okay. It'll be nice. I'll use that. No.
No?
Don't pull that. I think if we get this side first, it'll be better. There we go. Crucibles in there. Leave it in there for a minute.
Pretty good paint job.
You got the bottom. I got the top. Alright. Be very careful with that. This graphite crucible. And there's the inside. All right, guys, so that is the unboxing video, and we will be working on getting your mold ready to do some casting, and hopefully we'll get that done today. All right, so stay tuned, check back for the actual casting and testing.